Yesuda Ninu Varam. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are washing the produced biodiesel. This is from bitter almond oil. Bitter almond seed.
Pretending to be bitter.
Yeah, cutting. It's
Friends,
called Tivetia.
we are very happy to produce this biodiesel because see friends, the
This is
layers
the
of separation is
so
has come
beautiful.
very beautiful. We
What
are
a
feeling
beautiful-
like it is kokum juice, friends.
Yeah.
Cameraman, please
Actually,
tell us kokum juice.
Mr. Cameraman, Sudan.
Actually, I feel like it is a Jentupa for me.
Actually, I feel like old monk rum.
Oh my god. Perspectives, friends, perspectives.
So
I
a
want-
project will become successful only when we have different
Perspective,
perspectives.
friends.
And now one task for Mr. Vinay. Please fill that this one.
Should spilla.
Fill.
Spilla.
So yeah. So
Hey, don't
let me.
stop the vlogging, man.
Yeah. So
Whatever
this is
happens, vlog shouldn't stop. That is the motto of our life. So today we are washing the biodiesel. Hey, why my this door is not open fully?
Let me help you.
Hey, two.
That's it. Simple things need simple solution, guys.
Through this bottle, I can prove that our college is outdated because these types of bottles are not available these days.
No, Fanta has moved on.
My Fanta has moved on. Now new design has come. More efficient ways have been used like additive manufacturing to start the new types of
Guy
bottle
after
designs.
PTM. So
Hey man, we actually want a table currently because this is very unstable.
yeah.
Just like
So let me show you the
life.
bakchol we have. So this is our energy lab. So recently what happened is one of the club from our college has made a partition. So let me show you. See, look here. So if you see the table there, the table is where we work. We do our synthesis. But these guys have locked it. So the funda is we can't have direct access to our experiments. So this is the bakchodi our college does whenever we try to do something good.
So guys, now the task is I have two of these wherein I will be measuring the glycerin that we have derived
Okay.
because that shows how much yield rate we have got.
Okay, yield rate. So yield rate is, you know what it is. If you don't know, please Google it.
Yeah, Google it yourself.
Please use AI mode.
Yeah, because see guys, Google he has also become old. Direct Googling, not Googling. So you have to always use AI mode. See bro.
So Surya and Vinay, this type of filmmaking is called guerrilla filmmaking.
I know. He had told friends, still he is repeating, but still I'm thank
So
you
he's
for that.
trying to flex in the blog that he is film enthusiastic.
Although he's only short filmmaker, but also he's nice filmmaker. Using people like me, he will show like a foreign.
Surya, I guess rather than iPhone, GoPro will do our job better.
Yeah, bro. My Anna is Insta 360 cousin. If I bring
Now
that,
he is flexing.
it will do the job for us.
See bro. So we have got around roughly.
Two pack friends, two pack.
Can you show
Guys,
the camera?
when you
Hey.
bleed with no, yeah. No girlish things.
So yeah, okay, after separation,
Yeah, this is the beautifulest thing that I
Hey, literally is there, man. Old monk.
yeah.
let it be. It's like for giving Devro
Hey,
Naivedya.
no. He'll give. Wait.
It's okay man, little bit 1 ml, 2 ml if biodiesel also goes,
Bro.
don't worry.
That's all.
ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ ರಕ್ತ ಕೆಡುತ್ತೆ.
Take Rakta.
Not
Yeah, again don't
So let
tell
me
Rakta, it will be Asaya again.
okay.
See.
So guys, Sudanma is putting 1 quarter today.
Hey, no man.
Happy birthday to Sudanma.
Happy birthday.
In next 1 month.
Let me smell it and
No,
review.
not next 1 month. Does this smell like
It
glycerin?
has gum to smell actually.
Gum.
Gum to smell.
Gum to
You
smell.
know gum to?
What is going to?
Gum to.
Yeah. Gum to means oily.
Idea.
That's it.
Obviously, when it is derived from oil,
It should have them.
It is like saying, oh, you are going so you are not having rasa, something like that.
Oh, see, bro. This is what we want in the vlog actually. Yeah.
So, correlation means causation is something which I not believe.
Okay. I request the project team members to speed up the project because we have to write record. And
Actually, yeah, we have our.
Don't stop the recording.
See, we have been recording from past 4 minutes 55 seconds.
You are not the storage.
The thing is, I can spare my.
World man.
Come on.
Not you. This boy was.
Let
Hey,
him.
you are
Hey,
responsible
give
for
man.
vlogging.
I will vlog and beam.
Hey, he has to do work, man.
Oh yeah. Do.
He has to work.
See this fucking guy. This guy won't work. This guy. Yeah. So this is a rare site where Vinith is working for a project
So this is like a
rather than transport.
cola, not sleeping. Hey,
I am being minimalistic, bro. Being minimalist is important.
What does mean is he uses minimalistic brand for skincare.
I'll watch it, man.
Please open that one, man.
Partly.
Which one? See that one.
Come on, come on. So today we are opening this one locked, which has been locked for almost 25 years. So this one will be opened.
This log was locked with a pujari where he told a dialogue named 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳಾದರೂ 200 ವರ್ಷಗಳಾದರೂ ಈ ಬೀಗ ತೆಗಿಬಾರದು. But today it has been opened. Nangoli is coming. Yay!
Bonaka is coming. Guys, this one is smelling like antiseptic.
Okay. Yeah. So our project's another major pillar has arrived. His name is Dheeraj Verma Mupala. Dheeraj.
So guys,
What is this cigarette?
Mr. Dheeraj has got the most responsible. He is the only responsible team member that we have.
Responsibility is important.
Yeah.
That has been. Guys, actually, you guys missed one of the important things.
Yeah, no problem. You can close it like this. So yeah, this is the can that we are going to use for storing the biodiesel that we have produced.
From
out of
Charlie
great
Puth, I
difficulty.
have learnt one thing. That is, you can produce music with anything.
Now you eat.
You know, when he told about music, I have to tell you something. These guys, with the help of music and songs, did one Ganandari Kelsa last time, which costed us one thermometer. So he is the father of the
So
thing.
guys, so I am the father of this thermometer. I mean, I am the father of this biodiesel. We have produced this out of.
We are all their forefathers actually.
No. These are all stepfathers.
Forefathers.
These are all stepfathers.
Yeah, it was a pun actually. Forefathers.
Guys, I request to kindly speed up the process.
I can spare, bro. How many experiments you have to write? Two experiments.
Written part.
Oh, I have to write 4 experiments. I'll complete it now.
So the task is now
ನಾನು
to
unrolled it.
transfer the biodiesel from that one to this one.
We have to rinse it thoroughly.
Yeah. So this is inside Spider Manjunath.
So yeah.
So someone has given us this siphon which is of no use. We went to Tumkur to bring this.
See, everything represents our college, to be honest. Nothing seems to work here.
Hey, what is this?
Spider-Man. Wow. So spider dead, its legs and hands came out. So it is looking like saffron in water.
See the comparison, guys.
See the comparison, guys. It was looking like saffron.
I feel like, you know, Anto. Anto. It's like that.
All Dalgara
Dheeraj.
activities, these are all.
What would you like to say to our camera?
Yeah. Are you saying to camera?
We are doing it. What they are doing?
Project,
Project.
Guys, today we would have almost.
So we got an earthquake in Bangalore today.
I would kindly request the Dheeraj to push the tongue forward to level forward. Yeah, this is better.
So that is called Allard Singh.
So whenever I remember this thing called as water Manjunath, I remember Mr. Vinith. Because when he was living in Chitradurga, he used to get water from one person.
He is
His
called
name is
Water
Manjunath.
Manjunath.
His number is saved in his
Yeah,
phone
still
as Water Manjunath.
When I was as small as water bottle, he would get me water.
So see guys, every sambandha is from a long-term perspective.
Yeah, bro.
So someone told me this.
Honorable mention, Water Manjunath. Sir.
I don't even know if he is remembering and if he is still alive or not.
What if Water Manjunath get hiccups now while eating, while drinking?
Please drink water with Water Manjunath only supplies that.
He shows that when you are a supplier, you should be the consumer.
Oh my god.
SAP
There
integration.
is some supply chain lessons for you.
SAP integration.
Yeah.
Life integration, guys. Life integration. Hey, you are showing the ass of the lab, man. Why are you showing me?
Typical guy after PTM guy.
Oh my
This guy
god. Ah, bro.
has become got enlightenment under his home's fan.
Oh my god. That's that I didn't put fan only, friends.
Hey man, half liter it is almost becoming just off.
Huh? Go side.
Half liter ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Okay, okay.
Off ಮಾಡು.
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನು ಸಾಕಾ ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ
Off ಮಾಡು.
So I guess we have to cut this scene now.
No, wait. Not time. It's not the time
Bro, I've
until
tried the record.
it's not over until
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್
yeah.
MS Dhoni, friends.
Ah. So Mr. Vineet is the biggest fan of MS Dhoni. What he thinks.
No, I don't think I'm the biggest fan. But I
He is one of the biggest. So now the
stay humble, friends, in life. Don't be. See, friends, electrical engineer, he did not on this only. Only on
we show that how
wow, where is the what?
Hey, we are lost the Sambu.
Cut. Honorable mention, Mr. Niroshan Dikwela, opener of Sri Lanka, batsman.
Revive lab. It's Sambu.
How come, bro? We'll show to our viewers also.
So guys, today this is called.
So as I told you earlier,
I know it is not.
no, we don't have any bamboo there.
Where is the Sambu?
So this is a wheelchair. We can play very fruitfully in this wheelchair. The thing is, one of our lab instructor saw we playing here, so it is not preferably playable now. We can play somehow in the middle of some time. So this guy is doing internship now while checking all the almiras here and doing some side income. So we have to look into this. So what is
World Fanta.
bottle.
World Fanta.
so Dheeraj?
Hello.
Will you attend lab today?
Yes.
Why?
I will attend. I have low attendance.
How much?
I don't know, but it is low.
You don't know how much.
No.
Check in the app.
It must be around 70, 80.
So
I guess.
if I try to edit this video, I will try to add his attendance photo.
ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
This will be uploaded in YouTube
ಓಕೆ
under his channel. Whose channel it is?
It is his channel. Yeah, it's my channel. And also his.
ಚಾನೆಲ್
It is our channel. Yay!
Surya BS 420.
So I will try to. Yeah.
ಸೂರ್ಯ ವೈದ್ಯ ರಾವ್
Suryam Vaidyam. Surya Vaidyam Rao Verma.
So first time I got my hand.
Yeah.
80% off.
So this is killing me. I can't resist.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ
Hey, where is the bloody So
Funnel.
Funnel.
This is how this is.
Hey, don't keep on the sink and on my phone.
Oh,
Please,
no.
Mati Magna. Nice. Guys, I'm actually trying to change my mobile case. If you have any suggestions which case that I should get, please drop.
I guess
a
it's better
message.
to we do live on YouTube, bro. It is better.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ
See the way he fumbled.
Hey, wait, man, wait. We don't know how much is there. Simply
It
don't
will
know.
go. Later if you want we can.
This is the actual thing that we are trying to do. Now we are measuring how much water that we want. So we need half liter for half liter of, 250 ml of
Biodiesel.
biodiesel. So guys, I'm getting a call. Let us.
So for privacy issues, we'll mute from here.
No, it's okay.
Who is that?
Mr. Khalid.
Oh.
Hi, Mr.
So
Khalid.
ISI, please hear this.
Hey, what? Sikta, ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? Wow,
Oh, sorry. I got manipulated with the
He's the agent.
Dakait.
ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ
Raymond Duckett.
Do Dakait dance. Song will be added. Dakait.
Bro, I will do
Dakait dance.
Ranveer Singh entry song. That is crazy. Dide.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಾ.
I told you earlier, watch out this guy. Because he's in the enlightenment phase now. It would be nice to be with him now.
So the best thing about heating the coil beforehand is heating becomes hotter.
Can you please give a closer look of the heater?
Yeah, sure. This is the most third class heater that I have ever seen in my life. This is the water. See inside. It's like Mr.
We have IP rating for this, right?
That means this will not be done. Hey, what are you doing, man?
It can be peak videographer.
This is the best thing about. This is the worst thing about having an iPhone. You can't flip the camera.
Camera, or we can't do multiple camera. Yeah.
I am feeling bad for myself.
So, being a Samsung guy, it feels like my both hands are tied and I'm only
Hey, no
using
man.
my.
Hey, no man.
Oh, I would like to propose a new business idea for manufacturers in Apple.
I told you.
So what you have to do is, as we know, we have selfie stick. Make a selfie stick where 2 iPhones can go. One for back camera vlogging and one for front camera vlogging.
For that, we have 2 cameras already.
No. At the same time, where
In Samsung, it can be done.
No. In America, only Apple runs. Okay.
This type of shit behavior, I don't agree.
Hey, what is the percentage of Apple phones in?
This guy thinks that all Americans own iPhone.
Most of the Americans.
Yeah.
Samsung also they own.
How much percentage?
Apple is higher, I guess.
They are neck to neck or somewhat just like India. Now also in India, people own iPhone more actually.
See, in India, the case is different because
See, in India you
What
use
is the
Python. That's why case is
percentage
different. In India you use Python case. That's why case is different.
no, mine is not Spygen. This is Nissin.
This is yeah.
Guys,
See.
fill some water. Beg,
58% of US.
Fill some water.
Samsung is a keda. So this guy's first review we can do.
ಲಂಚ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ
Lancha guy. He does all the bribery things and gives the bribe.
No.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಟ್ವಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ, ಲಿಂಕ್ಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ, ರೆಡ್ಡಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ BS ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಲರ್ಟ್, ವಾಚ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಗೈ ಆನ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಒಂಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದು. So, to be honest, we are doing this video just because our very, very dear Chandrasekhar sir asked us what is called proof. He asked us, ನಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 4K ಅಲ್ಲ 2K, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಈಸ್. 1080-60 video for him. It's a complete one session video on uncut video.
From now and on, daily I will be vlogging. So vlog will be the
For non-technical people, it is 1080 pixels and 60 frames per second.
That is technical, bro.
For technical people who don't know a technical.
That is for non-technical people, it is smooth video. That's it.
Oh, this is very
Non-technical.
That is what non-technical means.
Technical and non-technical. You can't be Steve Jobs.
I am not engineering faculty to balance between technical and non-technical and teach shit to students.
So that is why Surya told 1080p 60.
Actually, that was correct.
That is
That is correct. Non-technical and technical can understand it.
Mr. Vineet went on to some other mode now.
No
When
friends.
I was
Kamatose has come to his mind.
Tomato.
This video will be featured
Yeah,
with
man.
our review.
Hey, this is half liter. This much only we want. You go and eat it. Keep it on that.
Actually, phone got hit.
My phone got you.
Vineet also got
We will follow Vineet now.
So friends, I am eating the most important thing of the earth, that is the water.
Yeah. So, an interesting fact, let me tell you. Water is abundant in the universe. Okay. Oxygen is also abundant. The only thing rare in the earth is wood. Did you know that? No, right? For more such facts, follow this channel.
ಇದನ್ನ ಎತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So guys, for proof, I will be washing this 3 times. So the second batch of water is getting ready. And Mr. Vineet has to fill again half liter and get heat it. Yeah. Now it is almost settled. I think this much time is enough, right?
We request the universe to guide us regarding the time
Required
for separation.
So guys, for half liter of biodiesel, no, for 250 ml of biodiesel,
So see,
started.
in this frame, sun is getting kissed to sun.
No. Now listen to what doubt I have. We yesterday how much grams we did?
Around 50.
Half kg.
That one.
So here already 500 ml is there in this one. And
Okay.
this one at least has around 200 ml. Now it is 700, no? So what is the weight to ml ratio of water to?
That Manoj was talking about this only, no? What he got ultimate.
No man, he's alpha. I can't.
Bro, the thing is, what's the time now?
The thing is, people are
Record.
not technically.
Record over
Hey man, 10 minutes you wait. 10 o'clock we'll start off. 15
I
minutes.
have 4
ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, don't take tension.
ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ನೀರಿದೆ ತುಂಬಾ.
ಓಕೆ ಹೌದಾ.
ನೀರಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇದೆ, ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀರಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇದೆ guys.
Friends, he is also lying, friends. Everything in earth is 70% water.
Yeah. Now it would have reached 45 degrees.
Give the temperature.
Temperature not necessary, but I will.
Temperature, you feel yourself. How much temperature you have felt up till date.
That is more than enough.
See, in this rare side, you can see sun is getting kissed with sun.
On my lips, cheeks.
ಕಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ.
Project team member to put up on us.
Funneling.
Hey, where man? Here you should put, no?
No
ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಏನು?
Hey, hand.
No, head of Head of workers.
ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್.
Chief worker.
ವರ್ಕರ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್.
ಸೊ ಈ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಇವನ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಅಂತೆ.
How much is this still? Pour.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Enough. Pour.
ಪೋರ್ ಅಂತೆ. ತಮಿಳ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಮಿಳ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ.
Only Tamil words that we know. No, you spill. Yeah, no. You fill. Yeah, put it in this.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ್ವಂದ್ವ ಕನ್ನಡ.
Hey, no, man.
I request all the members of the society to use the facilities which are available.
Hey, man.
Here funnels are available, kindly I am using. Otherwise I could put normally also.
ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಟು ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್.
Yesterday, I and Mr. Dheeraj got bitti attendance because he did some future presentation.
So if you know what does this mean,
if
I mean,
you know,
what is this act called in scientifically?
this
This
is called as funneling.
ಮನೇಲಿ
This act,
What?
ಏಯ್ ಏನದು
not that though. This is called what?
ನೀನು ಹಂಗೆ ಅದು
I'm asking.
What do you call them? Please answer the question, Sudanvara.
I have given that will be answered in next video.
ಕೇಯಿಂಗು.
No, not sexual. It is very scientific. There is a scientific term for that
Sure,
thing.
it's also scientific. Okay.
Sexually scientific.
ಸೆಕ್ಷಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Bro, if you talk these things, will you really upload in your channel?
So we'll upload.
In your
Hey, private you put.
not parody channel.
No, man. My face isn't parody. My face is actual.
Something like Surya BBAS, not like that.
BBAS,
Who knows what
Yeah,
else?
videos,
BSA.
not SMS. So guys, this is Dwandwa. This is Dwandwa.
ಬಂದ್ವಾ
Samaya Dwandwa.
ಬಂದ್ವಾ ಅಂತ.
I request the team members of the project to be punctual to their records and their observations.
So this guy's work is to request the team member. So this guy's work is to pour something, take out something. Pour something, take out something.
Auntie, ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೊರಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾರು? ಯಶವಂತ್ ಸರ್. ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಬಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು. So we were asked if one of our faculty, who is a very beautiful person,
He's a very knowledgeable person.
he is a knowledgeable person, he is a very ultraviolet person.
Yeah, ultraviolet person, and he's in charge for all the project. So he's a project guy.
No, project in charge.
Project guy.
In charge.
Guy project.
Gaya. What is Gaya?
ಈ ವಾಟರ್.
Yeah.
See, you know project guy. Do you know Monday guy? This guy is Monday guy.
So you have to always be a Monday guy, not like a Sunday guy. You have to be acting.
So, you know what does Monday guy mean? It has a brief history to one extent. So, Monday guy is a word originated from Monday plus guy. So, what does it actually mean? Monday is a week is a type of week, as you know, after Sunday. Guy is a what do we call it?
Explaining what Monday guy means.
Monday guy. Yeah. Why Surya is referred as Monday guy is the next question. To know more about it, kindly subscribe our channel. I will let you know in our further videos.
I would also like to honorably mention myself because I am a Saturday guy, so I will always party.
Not like that. It is nowhere related to Saturday,
Friday
Sunday,
night
Monday.
guy.
Friday night or Saturday?
This guy was specifically called as Monday guy for his Mondayness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this fellow does not have any name because he is the most chutiest person I have ever seen. And who gives names to everything.
This guy is leap day guy. Leap year day guy.
So whenever Surya get pissed off,
February 29th guy.
Yeah, he comes once in a while and leaves. That's it.
Hey, for
enough,
years, sir.
bring.
Once in a while ಅಲ್ಲ.
yeah. So this guy is called
Saturday night guy.
thermometer guy.
So Mr. Sudan keeps names like very old.
Old fashioned.
Yeah, very old fashioned. Just like how old people used to name. You are born on Monday.
ರಾಮು
If
ಸುಮೇಶ್.
people can buy Royal Enfield
If you
just
were
because it
born
has vintage feel, Why can't I name people in the vintage field? Please answer. Owner of Royal Enfield.
Owner of Royal Enfield.
Please answer.
Owner of Royal Enfield.
Please answer. If a company can use their whole USP as vintage fucking shit, why can't I name people in the same way?
Because you are not my father and mother, okay? My father and mother.
Oh, only your father and mother keeps your names,
Yeah.
huh?
Oh, then who keeps names?
Oh,
ಏ
me.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಕೀಪ್
ಪೂಜಾರಿ ವಿಲಾಸ ಕೀಪ್.
Yeah. Now our video is getting interested. See, to be honest, our whole day will be like this shit talks, which is actually too good.
ಗೈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಸ್
Yeah. We are actually a type of South
ಟಾಪ್ 1% ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ
intellect minds.
We would like to engage with the neurotransmitter in your brain, friends.
Yeah. So basically, no.
ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್
This guy uses.
uses
So, last time when he gave presentation, I did an interesting survey. That interesting survey, it tells us that this guy has used more than 30 times.
Hey, 26 times.
26 and
So,
survey can be manipulated. This is how our government works.
This is why India is like.
Even a college student which doesn't have moral values does like this.
okay.
Imagine.
Okay, I take my words back. Around 30. Yeah. Around 30.
Elections are around the
But
corner,
the thing
so
is,
it's doing like this.
So guys, BBMP elections are around the corner and BBMP elections won't happen.
so
It has to happen someday, but we don't know which day.
the day when pig flies, I
I've
guess.
been waiting for voting without a voting machine.
You
But
know,
it is not being possible because
BBMP
of,
election happens. Actually, BBMP election never happened because it is not BBMP at all.
I'd like to
It is GBA. So GBA election happens when pig starts flying. Is my assumption.
Oh my god.
What starts what?
Pig starts
Big
flying.
start like which means it doesn't happen. It's a metaphor.
Yeah.
So Mr. Vineet is one of the best metaphoric person. I have.
Metaphorically, metaphor. So this is also known as the king of nights.
guys. देखो ना.
Dekho na. This guy is also known as the king of
Hey, don't
nights.
use this one. This is only for water. Hey, there is one more funnel. You bring that one. Hey, wait. Why are you waiting for this one?
Yeah. This guy is also known as.
How can we decide that the biodiesel has become clean? When the water we start washing the biodiesel, it becomes cleaner.
See the cameraman. Where are you seeing?
No, I'm
Oh,
telling you.
telling- oh,
Knowledge
okay.
transfer, guys. Knowledge transfer.
Yeah, Katie. Yeah, please tell me.
Friends, Katie can be perceived in many ways. In our school, Katie was Karitika. She was a girl, black, full black.
Here, Katie means purely knowledge transfer.
Yeah,
Nothing
we are
more,
like
nothing less.
very South Indian people. We
You
are
are also South Indian. You are South
Yeah,
Indian.
actually, the more South Indian you look.
This guy looks more Dravidian, not South Indian. Not the point. See,
See, friends, I am Rahul Dravid fan. So
Rahul Dravid, Dravidian ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
No, just because his name has Dravid, he's not Dravidian.
ಸೂರ್ಯ
I mean,
ರಾವ್.
I'm not.
Just
Hey,
because
Philip,
Aryan Khan has Arya in his name, it doesn't mean that he's Aryan.
Just because he has Khan, it also means that he can be Khan or does not be Khan.
hey, converted.
Depends.
Hey man, this is not a place where you can talk religious things.
Converted to biodiesel, friend. Please don't like this and all.
Yeah, friend. Please.
This is called flipping dosa. Or dosa flipping.
Guys, we thought someone actually we missed the biodiesel thing. Thanks auntie. Actually ತುಂಬಾ help ಆಯ್ತು.
So see, we got the.
ಅದೇ ಆಂಟಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ವಾಶ್ ಯಾವುದು ಆಂಟಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್
ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂತಲ್ಲ ಸೋಮವಾರದಿಂದ ಅದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಜಗ್ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಡೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ
ಆಂಟಿ ಎಚ್ ಒ ಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕ ಎಚ್ ಒ ಡಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ಸೂರ್ಯ?
On the head.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋ. So guys, this has become red hot just like
How is the frame?
It's very nice. This has become red hot just like me. Do you accept?
No.
Why?
You are white hot.
So theoretically it is true because his name is Surya.
Even physically.
And the sun is not red, friends. Please not. It is yellow.
Sun is red hot.
But it is yellow hot.
Red hot is not literally red. If you guys know basic English, this guy has done IISc, so ICIC English till 9th standard,
No, for 7.
7th standard. So typically, brighter students transfer from 9th to 10th with other syllabus. But this guy, being a very bright guy, took a bold decision, transferring from.
Friends, I would like you to recommend a.
Keep it on this. It's a borosilicate there. It has been written. It is borosilicate.
Borosilicate. It's not borosilicate.
We have done it right.
No, I have not heated with this.
That glass is same this glass, no?
That one I am not sure. I am not a chemistry specialist. I am just a lab assistant.
But if it breaks, thing is we lose our biodiesel.
That is my issue.
And I smell weird things now.
Like?
I would like to recommend.
Hey, bring the kerchief.
500 degrees.
Hey, bring the kerchief. So this is 65 degrees now. We have decided to heat it till 100 and
150. 50, why so?
hey, 115. Actually, yesterday we manipulated some values to our guide. Actually,
That happens if you know, if you've been to physics lab, chemistry lab or any other lab which involves calculations, all those things, we tend to manipulate, right? So, yeah. But we, doing our major project, will take some,
pride with it.
yeah, because it has to be done. If it's not, we'll get,
Mother, father.
These are all Srirampura, friends. Srirampura.
if you guys don't know what Srirampura is, Google it.
ಹೊಸದಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೇ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ, ಮನಸೇ ದೇವಾಲಯ.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಇವಾಗೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್
ಏ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ತೆಗಿಯೋ 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 ನಿಮಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಮೌನಂ ಸಂಬಂಧಿ ಲಕ್ಷಣಂ.
ಐ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
If you
Even we demand a few things from government, we don't get it. Just like that, if we demand something from Stella, we won't get it. Because you know what? He is the fan of ruling party. We are not supposed to say
ruling
names.
party of Karnataka
We are not supposed to say.
or of India, I don't know. He don't know.
Wait, actually the thing is,
ಹೇ
I am still afraid if this breaks. What do you think? It might
No, it
break.
will not
break
break. It will not break.
It is 1200 degrees.
It will not
Is
break,
it
bro.
real borosilicate glass?
I don't know.
If that is the case, it won't break.
It will not break.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್
bro.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು.
Okay, then
At
keep
least
it
till 200 it won't break.
again. Okay, keep it again.
So,
Keep it to 2.
Dheeraj, I would like to request you to see the.
ಅದೇ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು,
ಬಿಡು, ಬಿಡು.
ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Please.
It won't. It won't. So we have to actually heat not till 110 or 150. We have to heat till the pop sound.
but we being engineers, I mean not actually engineers, but being some
Lab assistants.
thinkers actually, we use our brain. We have concluded it in a very numerical way, where it can be done till 115 degrees Celsius. So, for a layman perspective, it is like till pop-up sounds end. We are not a layman, we are
Science students.
ante.
Engineers.
ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್.
Students of.
I won't comment on this.
ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Engineers are the one who reduce the electricity bill set by.
As I told you yesterday.
Someone told.
Alala, as I told you, please watch out this guy. This guy is in his enlightenment phase.
Wow. Enlightenment. So what?
And I also told you,
ಝೂಮ್ ಇನ್.
and I also told you, watch out this guy's social media handles. This guy, he will be the next big thing.
ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್.
Yeah, I mentioned previously to check his YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Reddit, and Discord.
Reddit, no, man.
And
Hey,
Discord.
no,
And
man,
Twitter also.
Reddit, no. Reddit, no.
I told you. Yeah, nice. So it's been around 40 minutes.
ಹೌದೇನು
ಏಯ್
40 minutes ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಸೌರವ್ ಜೋಶಿ 1 hour ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ಸೌರವ್ ಜೋಶಿಯ
Hey, we are the friends of.
So let's sing it as Mata Mata Madhyana Yugadi Habba. Your mom is preparing bisi bisi bonda. At that time,
Not only bonda, papad also.
yeah, you will feel very hungry, but also you smell a very, gummish smell where the oil is getting heated. That's the same thing I am experiencing.
So guys, as I told you, it's 10 o'clock and we are done with the video.
Yup.
देखो ना गाइस
So I
Surya
guess,
had planned the whole thing. Peak detailing by Surya.
yeah.
Sorry guys, cut it. Bad words.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು
Bad words bro, bad words.
ಬಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೋ
ನನಗಿತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ
So Milano, how much time this might take to cool down?
It may take around.
How much ever I try guys, words don't
Macha,
agree upon me.
I got a trolley.
Trolley or dolly? Man, ಬೊಬ್ಬೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ.
So in Kannada, there's a saying, ಬಿಸಿ ಪಾಯಸ ಕುಡಿಬೇಡ, ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡಿ.
ನೋ
No bad words. How much ever I try, it is not
I
possible.
would like to encourage the young generation to create some goddess so that the future generations can be very helpful towards it.
Only we follow the previous generation.
Hey, no, I don't follow. I always keep saying.
One phone if it goes.
ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 phones
People have 20 phones.
Huh?
You shut and come in the frame. Why are you going outside the frame? I am not IPL cameraman to focus everyone and show minka girls.
Surya is also trying to become girlfriends.
You know Sanjay Bangar's son/daughter.
Yeah, we know.
Sanjay Bangar is a ex RCB coach.
Okay guys, so we are concluding the vlog in 3 minutes. Then we are having some other work. So
Doggy's
we'll
work, to be specific.
we'll be only doing vlogs during this time frame. I mean during the lab time frame.
Yeah.
So
Not only lab time frame, we will be doing vlogs in the interesting things of the MVIT or a life or others' life like that kind of.
so guys, before we exit, I will just
The thing is, let me show you something. So this is something we have done. We are waiting this to get cool. Okay. As you saw, Surya burnt his hands trying to touch this. Now also he'll try.
no, now I am cooling this, so I have to be cool, right? That's right. So as it become cool,
No.
hey, bring that one oil, diesel, that one.
So
One.
we will be winding up. I come here. So yeah. Another interesting fact. Our college has more than 100 acres of what is it? Ego textile. Okay. ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಅಧಿಕವಾದ ಲಶ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್
Hey, but
ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್
this is
ಇದೆಯಂತೆ.
reddish in color. So what can we do now?
Reddish.
Red deal when I go.
I would like to request you to remove the.
Hey, no, red deal. Sorry. Hey guys, I will not do.
ಇನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕೋಟ್. ಕಾಮಾಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳದಿನೇ ಹಂಗೆ.
Okay, ಕಪ್ಪಗಿರೋ ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಣೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ
Yeah, you can pour. This is completely your responsibility. I agree.
So see, when these guys do something, they get super framing. When I come, my head gets cut.
Not I.
I would like to request to cut your left so that you can see.
Come to frame. Yeah.
Hey, Sudhana, please.
If you want, you can
This
take
can be thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Hey, photo.
Bro,
Hey,
thumbnail.
where is phone, bro? Let's go.
Yeah.
Please click
thumbnail thumbnail ಅಲ್ಲ
thumbnail.
thumbnail
I would like you to request Tanwara to take the help of Hamza Ali Mazari to cut the left, like he cut the major equal left in the final
Final semester.
scene. Bro, major equal is
Okay.
Hey, who told me? I feel like he's an engineer.
say
Yeah, bro. We will conclude this. Okay, friends.
bye.
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ
No,
Law.
oh, in 2000.
45 minutes ಆಯ್ತೇನಾ? Hey, stop.